Ever wanted to go live on Twitch or jump into a Zoom call, but you're having a massive bad hair day?
Or maybe you want the fame of a YouTuber without actually showing your face to millions of strangers?
Well, the days of hiding behind a static profile picture are officially over.
Today on the Puse Daily Tea, we're looking at Janus, the real-time animation platform that's basically a digital masquerade ball for your webcam.
It's fast, it's sleek, and it might just be the ultimate tool for the next generation of anonymous creators. Let's dive in. So, what is Janus? Simply put, it takes your webcam feed and transforms you into any character you can dream up. We're talking full-body, high-expression avatars that move exactly when you move.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Doesn't that require a $5,000 motion capture suit?
Nope. Janus is built for the everyday user. It runs locally on your device, no expensive gear, no subscriptions to run it.
Whether you're on Mac, Windows, Linux, or even your phone, Janus has you covered on every platform.
Because it renders right on your hardware and there's zero lag. Your audience sees your expressions in real time.
Making it perfect for Discord hangouts, Twitch marathons, YouTube deep dives, and yes, even your Zoom meetings if you're feeling spicy.
The level of control here is insane. You can swap outfits, change your hair, or flip your background to match your mood or the scene. We're talking deep customization, every detail tuned exactly to how you want to show up online. But here's the best part, for the privacy conscious among us.
Janus doesn't keep your data. All that facial tracking, it happens in real time during your session only.
The images you upload to create your avatar, not stored, gone. You get to be expressive, anonymous, and totally secure.
Expressive, anonymous, secure. 3 things the internet rarely promises. Janus delivers all 3.
Now the base version is a powerhouse, but if you're a pro streamer, you're gonna want the Pro Upgrade.
Pro features like 60 plus FPS, cinematic green screen, and yes, it is completely watermark free. Janus is proof that you don't need a Hollywood budget to have a Hollywood presence. Fast, private, and changing the game for creators everywhere.
Who would you stream as? Drop your avatar ideas below, smash that like, subscribe to the Puse Daily, and stay digital, friends.